Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put your taskbar on the left on the Windows 11. So first of all we need to do, of course, is just go and open your Windows 11, the PC that contains, of course, Windows 11. And of course, if you have a Windows 10, you can just go and upgrade it into Windows 11 just through your settings simply. And of course, you can run the download or the installation of Windows 11 on the background of your PC, and meanwhile you can keep using your PC. Of course, it could be a bit slower if you have a like an old PC or something like that, but it's not going to be a big problem. And of course, once the download finish, you'll be able to restart or reboot your PC, and once you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you'll have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10, but I bet you will stay on Windows 11 because it will be much better, in my opinion, of course. And as we said, we would like to put our taskbar on the left on Windows 11. So, of course, if you want to do that, there's two options to do that. The first option is to go through settings. So of course you can open your setting in the regular way by clicking at the Windows key or startup menu and then type settings or just click on settings, or there is the shortcut way when you can just click at the Windows key plus I, and that opens the settings directly. And of course from here you would like to click at personalization and make sure to select this taskbar option. Once you are here, just hide those options, though those are not important for us now. And of course, make sure to select this taskbar behavior. Once you click on it, make sure to go into this taskbar alignment and make sure to select this center into left. And as you can see, your taskbar is on the left. Now, of course, there is the other option, as we said. Simply, you can just right click on the taskbar and click at the taskbar settings, and that will take you directly into the same settings. And of course, you can just go directly into taskbar behavior and make it on the left, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.